Welcome back, everyone. Well, Luvin Arms Animal Shelter, located in Erie, Colorado, is giving back to animals who have had pretty tough lives. We'll meet today's resident of the month. It's Maybelle, the cow.
I'm Bailey. I'm one of the care team specialists here, as well as the volunteer manager. And with me is Miss Maybelle. She is our newest cow resident. So Maybelle came from north of Fort Collins. She was used as what's called a bell cow. So bell cows basically lead other cows. They're kind of the leaders of the herd. If the herd got lost and she heard her name being called by their owner, she would wander back and the rest of the cows would follow. But that also means then that she could have been used to lead them onto slaughter trucks. So Maybelle is currently by herself. That's part of the quarantine process, is that she is separated from the other cows for 30 days after arrival, just so we can guarantee that she doesn't have anything. So luckily enough, Maybelle's rescue went very smooth, very quick. She's a really good listener. She's very food motivated. So getting her onto our trailer to bring her home is fairly easy. So as you can see, she's a lover, a licker. She really is a sweet girl. She'll receive love and affection very easily, which is also a reason why she's going to fit in great with our current cow residents. So for Maybelle's future here, I think it's going to be one full of love, full of friendship. I think she'll fit in with our herd, our current cow herd, quite easily, especially with how affectionate she is. Most of our cow residents are very affectionate, not only to humans, but also to each other, which I think she'll fit right in with. And I'm really happy she's here. Just in general, she's gonna live out a long life with friends who will hopefully one day be family. She's gonna have a life full of love, full of caring, and a good long life.
Okay, to learn more about Maybelle and the other incredible animals at Luvin Arms Animal Sanctuary, just visit luvinarms.org.